Welcome to our July 2013 market review, and the first month of the financial year was definitely a little bit slower than what it has been in the past, with a fair bit of activity finishing up in the late parts of June and not flowing through the early parts of July. July saw the end of the first home buyers grant in its current form and more of a focus on new homes rather than established homes. We had a fair few buyers who had not found the perfect home from last month who flowed across into this month, and the early parts of the month were busy from that point of view. In the Cranbourne office, we had a consistent month once again, with standout performances from Charles in both sales and listings, Manny in listings, and once again Peter Karma's had a very strong month in both listings and sales. The overall Cranbourne market is definitely seeing a reduced amount of stock available today. We listed quite strongly for the month, however many of those properties are not quite ready to come to the marketplace, and vendors are doing work in them to ensure that when they do hit the market, they're presented in the best possible way. This overall shortage of available stock, in established homes in particular, has meant higher demand from buyers and in many cases multiple offer situations for vendors. Our rental department had an extremely busy month, with our listings hitting 41 on our rental list, meant plenty of open for inspections, plenty of tenants and plenty of applications being processed. This also of course led to a large amount of lettings for the month. The overall Victorian market we're seeing is becoming quite buoyant at the moment. Inner city clearance rates are hovering around 70%, which is very, very strong. Interest rates are tipped to drop again in the early parts of August, and overall buyer confidence has increased, as well as increased in prices in Victoria for the last quarter. All this bodes well for a very strong end to the year, and we're expecting both August and September to be very strong months.